In this video tutorial, we will see how to print alphabet triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. In this pattern, every line begins with space character. Those space characters are gradually decreasing line by line from 8 to 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, and 0. Those space characters are appended with alphabet characters. Alphabet characters are gradually increasing line by line from 1 to 9, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. These alphabet characters are appended with a single space character. So let's see the code to execute this pattern. We have already executed number triangle pattern. Run this pytriangle.py file in the terminal. This is the number triangle pattern we have already seen. In this code, modify this print statement. This print statement is going to print the second half of the pattern A, BA, CBA and DCBA, and this print statement is going to print the first half. So modify this character 65 plus J. So run this file in the terminal. This is our expected alphabet triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet triangle pattern.